So let's see how we can measure the roof of a house. I will add a house using BlenderKit. This will be the case study house. I will close that for now. And we're gonna see that on top we're gonna have the tiles. So I will select those, press H in order to hide those. Select the bottom geometry, press tab to go to edit mode. With vertex selection on, select the top vertices over here. Afterwards, press Ctrl+. This will give you the following selection. So all the geometry that will represent the roof of the house will be selected. All we have to do is press N. Afterwards, go to View, Measure It Tools, click on Show. And over here, we're going to have the area. And we're going to have the following overlay. So the total area of this roof will be 161.92 square meters. And now all we have to do is press tab to go back to edit mode. I will press N to close the side panel. And if I will press Alt and H, that will display as the geometry of the tile as well. So this is how you can rapidly measure areas within Blender. If you don't have Measure It installed, you can go to Edit, Preferences. Initially, you need to make sure that you have the Get extension enabled over here, because the Measure It will be, the repository for this will be directly on the Blender website. So you can enable it over here and you will find it underneath the pre-existing and pre-installed add-ons within Blender. So I hope you find this video useful. I will position a similar video over here on the left side and the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.